This is a substantial 4-bedroom detached home with 3 reception rooms on the ground floor, a fantastic location within walking distance to Bishop Fox School, King's College and Richard Hewish College. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in this property or a valuation of your own home, please do get in touch.